How to download app in laptop. Welcome everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to download apps on your laptop on Windows 11 and Windows 10. We'll start off by clicking the search icon and searching for Store. The best match will come up with the Microsoft Store app. Now left click that. This opens up and launches the Microsoft Store, which looks like this. At the top you can see search bar for apps, games, movies and more. Now if you want to download app on your laptop, you go to apps over on the left here. This opens up the apps category and you're already greeted with best entertainment apps, Netflix, Disney Plus and Spotify and all these other things. As you can see, if you scroll down, you can see top 3 apps are iTunes, Xbox, Netflix, iCloud, WhatsApp Desktop, TikTok and all these things. You can then scroll down under essential apps and navigate your way through here. Now in order to download an app, let's say we want to download WhatsApp Desktop, click on that. And what you now want to do is click Get over here. Once you do that, you see this loading bar coming up, pending, starting download, and you will download app in laptop. As you can see, it's currently downloaded. I don't really want this, so let's pause the download. I hope this video could help you out in finding how to download app in laptop. If it did, please leave a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.